I genuinely think most people buy the wrong first car, not because they are stupid, but because nobody teaches us how to think about cars financially, emotionally, and practically. And one bad car decision can easily set you back years financially. So if you're planning to buy your first car or even upgrade soon, this video might genuinely save you lakhs of rupees and a lot of regret, because I have noticed the same mistakes over and over again. Let's talk about the first mistake, and it is pretty simple. People buy cars based on what they can somehow afford monthly, not what they can comfortably own. There's a huge difference. If your EMI makes you anxious every month, the car stops feeling exciting very quickly, and nobody talks about this part before buying. And then there are people who buy cars for other people, for validation, relatives, neighbors, Instagram, office parking lots. That's why people stretch budgets just to buy logos. And honestly, that excitement disappears much faster than the EMI. Most first-time buyers only calculate the car price, but ownership is where reality starts. Insurance, tires, fuel, service, unexpected repairs. See, luxury cars especially can humble you very fast if you planned only for the EMI. Now there are people who choose features over reliability. I mean, come on, this is becoming a massive problem. People are buying giant screens, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroofs for what? And they're ignoring reliability, service quality, and long-term ownership experience. A car that works peacefully for 7 years is honestly more luxurious than a flashy car that constantly gives you problems. Now, a lot of people buy cars emotionally without thinking about their actual lifestyle. Buying huge SUVs for tiny city commutes, buying low ground clearance sedans for terrible roads, buying performance bikes for traffic. See, your vehicle should match your lifestyle. And I am going to say something controversial here. Your first car does not need to impress anyone. Your first car should give you freedom, peace, and confidence. Now, I don't know why, but India still has this strange mindset that used cars are somehow embarrassing. But honestly, some used cars offer insane value, especially for first-time buyers. Sometimes buying a smart used car teaches you more than overspending on a brand new car. At the end of the day, cars are emotional, and they should be. Cars create memories, road trips, late night drives, and family moments. But the smartest buyers balance emotion with practicality. Because the best car isn't the one that impresses strangers, it's the one that fits your life properly. Now, if you enjoy real automotive conversations without fake hype and scripted reviews, subscribe to the channel Luthra Drives. I am just getting started.